Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this iZEEKER 4G LTE Wildlife Camera System. It's a 2K 14 megapixel wildlife camera with 940 nm invisible light emitted diodes. We have real-time notification, 120 degrees wide angle, and an 0.1 second trigger time with SIM card included and 32 gigabyte SD card included for wildlife monitoring where you like. Here it comes, a powerful automatic connection, 4G technology and a strong 4G mobile signal. The wildlife camera supports 4G mobile networks that covers all major European countries without regional or provider restrictions. It is equipped with advanced signal search technology that automatically connects to the strongest 4G signal and ensures that we can watch the wildlife camera anytime and anywhere. The only thing you will need is batteries for the device. We have real-time remote control on notification via the app. We control the wildlife camera in real time via the app and allow a live video display, remote recording, video recording, and image download. The wildlife camera also has a real-time notification and instantly sends a notification via the app when an animal comes by. So, we are guaranteed not to miss an important moment in front of our camera system. And we have ultra high 2K HD resolution and amazing no glow night vision. That means no pet, no animal can see the LEDs, and no human too. Really cool. With 36 non-luminous LEDs, the wildlife camera silently records detailed black and white images and videos at the night time, ensuring that the animals remain undisturbed, and we don't have to worry about it being stolen or damaged too. We have two-way audio and a multi-user sharing. With a high-quality built-in microphone and speaker, the wildlife camera offers a two-way audio function that allows us to hear the wild sounds in real time and triggers an alarm to deter vandalism and thieves. And we can add more access to the app, so we can easily share exciting moments in the wildlife with family or friends. And increase security and additional functions. The wildlife camera is equipped with a lock hole and a rope hole, so we can secure it in the correct position. It protects data security and prevents theft. And the camera offers various customizable options such as PIR interval, PIR sensitivity, playback function, and memory settings on the SD card or cloud storage as you like. This is really cool system. And if you look to the camera front, you have on the left side an antenna for the 4G signal, of course, LTE baby. Then we have the IR LEDs. This is for the night vision. These are in the upper front of your camera system. Then we have the lens in the center. Then the PIR sensor is of course for spotting animals, for example, and then start the record. Then we have light sensor, a SIM card slot where this fits an SIM card, for example your own SIM card, nano SIM, or of course the included SIM. It is like a prepaid card. We have a 4G signal indicator light, a network indicator. We have a mode switch where we can switch between video, photo, or off. Then we have an SD card slot, and there fits an SD card. 32 gigabyte are inclusive. For storage, the recordings. Then we have an external power jack input. That means if we need a long time investigation, for example, you can dock there an external power jack. We have a lock hole, a strap attachment loop, and a tripod screw port. That's really cool because Tripods are big on the market, and you can install this camera system on a tripod. It's really cool. For example, we have the switch and the key. Okay, we have their photo, video, and off switch. Off mode, power off. That turns off the power and it will deactivate the camera, of course. Then we have the photo mode. The camera automatically takes a photo when detection is detected. The movement is detected. The video mode. The camera automatically starts recording a video when it detects movement. The PIR wake-up system. The camera automatically recording videos when entering the app real-time live in dual-way mode, for example. This is a user wake-up. And we have there a little hole where we can push with a SIM card extraction tool into it. That's the reset key. We hold the reset button for 5 seconds after resetting, delete the camera from the app, and re-add the camera in the app to resume the camera usage, of course. We have here a really cool designed camera system which works so easy, and you can use your own SIM card for recording, and because of the 4G LTE, it can give you the freedom that you can install it where no Wi-Fi network is, where nothing is, where the nature is, but there is an LTE connection available, and then you can enter to the system from all over the world as you like, and you can set up it, and you can adjust it, and you can have a good shot with this wildlife camera system. First, we download the app and create an account, of course. That's for free. Then we screw in the antenna. Then we insert the SIM card and the SD card and of course the batteries. And then we can switch to photo or video, and then we check the indicators. We wait for the 4G signal indicates to turns blue or green. We wait for network indicators to the blue. To conserve the power, the indicator will automatically turn off after a few seconds, of course. We perform any operations on the app and activate the camera indicator. That means we have here a 4G signal indicator, and then we can look. Red means a weak 4G signal, blue medium, and green is a strong signal. Then we have a network indicator. Red is not connected and blue is connected. Then in the app we scan and add the camera in the app, okay? We add a device, set up a 4G device, we scan the QR code on the camera, then we format the SD card, and then we can start immediately. For example, we can adjust the dual-way mode and a one-way mode. We can install the camera where we will need the camera in the wildlife, for example. We use an installation strap, for example, and look at the subject's mid-body height, look north or south, orientation. Land side is no leaves, branches or tall grasses in the front, and then you can start with the recording nearly immediately. We open the app on our mobile phone and access to the display, and then we can make some settings as we like. We can go to work mode, storage card, image flip, scene mode, detection sensitivity, PIR trigger interval, power frequency, and so on. So you can make a setup as you like, and then you can start with the recording at daytime and at night, because it comes with a night vision too. It's really cool. To maximize the battery life, we should adjust the camera settings in the app to work mode to one way, PIR detection sensitivity to low, and PIR trigger interval to a long duration. Of course, the best thing there is to save the energy for long camera work at outside, and you can see more of your wildlife things. It's really cool. And then the frequency of the camera wakes up and the recording directly impacts the battery life too. So maybe do this not so often, and then it will always work a long time with you. But if the batteries are empty, you can replace them. It's no problem. These are the iZEEKER 4G LTE Wildlife Camera System. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.